I've saved the information that I've created for the application, and I'm ready to create the application. Notice after I've saved it, I'm returned to the first page, and it may take several minutes to propagate to all of Facebook's servers. This brings up a point that you should remember, which is that as you are testing your application, not only do some changes take a little while to propagate to the servers, but you may want to turn off caching in your web browser that you're using for testing, because you want to make certain that you are always getting the latest version. This is true not just of Facebook, but of developing anything for the web. You have to make certain that you are not accidentally getting an old version. At the bottom of this page, you will see that there's some sample code here. You can get started quickly with the example code. And if I click here, I will see the steps to follow, and I can see sample code that is available to me that should run right away. And you can copy this code here, paste it into a file, and run it. It will already have your 2 keys for this application built into the code. And this is an application that I've shown you before. This is the current example application. It greets the currently logged in user, hello, whoever you are, and prints out at most 25 of the user's friends using the Facebook ID number for the friend, not the name of the friends. It's a very simple application. If this runs, it means that the installation is correct. What this will test is whether your Canvas page URL is working properly and whether you've put things in the right place. It's a very good place to start. So I recommend that you do this, and we're going to move on and look at it again in the next segment. The first step in making the application work is downloading the current Facebook PHP library. And here is some code that you can use to download it if you're comfortable using the wget command and the tar command to unzip the file. There are several ways of dealing with this, and there are several links to this code on the various developer sites, including the developer page that is available and the developers link at the bottom of each Facebook page. I'm going to show you a different way of downloading this, so you can use these steps here if you're comfortable with them, but I will also show you how you actually install it using the download and then using fetch or any application that lets you manipulate the files in your directory on your hosting server. So that's what we're going to do next.